Hi everyone, in this video this Tesla Model Y is going to upgrade with the status HDZ653S and also with the Alpine DSP, and we have a dedicated harness for the Tesla Model Y as well. So I'm going to make this video into a few parts. The first one, we are going to change the speaker, the three-way speaker here, and then the second one we are going to get all the connection done. So now we have replaced the door speaker with the Alpine HDZ653. So this is the mid bass. And then here's the tweeter. The tweeter is here. Yep. So it's quite a big one. Yep. And then we have the mid-range on the corner. So if you are interested to know how to take off the door panel and the front dash panel, we have an installation guide. And so for now, we are going to put it back and then show you how to install the DSP later. So now we are going to install the DSP, but before we install the DSP, we are going to disconnect the 12 volts or maybe the low voltage battery, because and before you disconnect, make sure that you have turned off the car all the way. And here you can turn off the car. So now the car has turned off. So you would like to disconnect the high voltage battery first. So what you want to do is to take this out and then press it. You should be able to remove the high voltage. You should be able to disconnect the high voltage. Once you disconnect, because I only got one hand at the moment, so disconnect this one and then disconnect the lithium battery here. So once you have disconnect, then we can start removing the panel to fish the harness to the front and also to the rear. So we are back now. Now we have get all the harness connected. So the harness you get from us, that the dedicated one for the Model Y or Model 3. So this one get plugged into the DSP here, and then it has a loop back to the rear amplifier here. The loop back will connect to take the signal from the amplifier and then loop back and then put it back to the speaker. And to the front we have the harness going all the way to the front. So all of the connector connect to the front amplifier, and then it's right inside there, so it's a bit hard to see right now. So here we have the power. So we tap the 12 volt battery from here and then connect all the way back to the DSP. And the ground is here. So we are going to put back everything together. Hey guys, sorry that I couldn't able to complete the filming of the installation of the DSP, but what happened is when we get everything connected, we test the system, and then we put back all the panel, and after that you can use the USB that is connected to the DSP. This is just a normal charging USB-C cable, so, and I would be able to use my phone to give direct digital signal to the DSP and play back with that. So all the signal to the DSP would be digital, so it's going to be no noise going into the system. Yeah, I'm using Title. This way you will get the best quality in your Model Y for the music experience. And thanks for watching.